One of the more popular videos on this channel has been finding missing scripts within your scene. In that video, you could run a menu item and it would list all the game objects that had components with a missing script and enable you to select them one by one. But here's the thing, when you find that missing script, you really only have two options. One, you can add back in the script that's been deleted, if you can find it that is. Alternatively, you can just delete the component with the missing script from the game object. Now hopefully, you only have a couple of these, and then it's super easy. But let's say they're all over the scene, like with the example here. Well, in this video, I want to show you the nuclear option. You don't care to fix any of the scripts, you just want to delete their parasitic null nature from the scene. Now, if we look at the script from the previous video, we'll notice that when we get to the component with a missing script, we identify it by the fact that it is null. Now, the quick-witted among you will know that we can't exactly delete a component when it's null. So how do we deal with this situation? Well, here is the solution. Let's copy and paste that function and create a delete version of it. We'll change out the name to delete and delete as the function name. We'll get rid of this statement here because we don't care to log it. And we'll go to the game object utility class, which is one of those secret hidden classes that Unity doesn't mention a lot. And we'll use the function remove mono behaviors with missing script and we'll send it the game object. And it's that simple. Basically, we'll come through, we'll find all the game objects, all the components that happen to be null, and we'll delete them. And the nice thing about this is we can break out here because we don't need to do it for every component. It basically deletes all the empty components that happen to be on this game object. Now with the coding done, let's see it in action. We go to the menu item for the missing scripts and we select find just to show there's still missing scripts left in this scene. The next is the deletion option. And boom, the nuclear option's been engaged. And as you can see, if we do a find again, we no longer have any missing scripts within this scene. Now I know people have been asking for this tutorial, and if that's you, or you feel like I just saved your day, then please do hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed. And if you're feeling generous, maybe go and heart some of the assets on the asset store to give them a little bump up in the rankings there. I'll leave the links in the description. Now this next video on screen, YouTube has determined to be the best video for you, and you know you cannot say no to the algorithm.